and welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I filmed my last lookbook, so I hope that you all enjoy this. So for my first outfit, I decided to keep it pretty simple. I paired up these white American Eagle jeans with this super cute blue top that I totally forgot that I had even bought. I actually found it in like a Target bag and I was like, well, this is a nice surprise. But it has this really cute open back detail, which is gonna be really nice just in case like the 4th of July lands on a super hot day. It'll just be really nice and airy. Outfit 2 is so much fun. This is probably my favorite outfit out of every single one of these outfits in this video. I really like it. It's just, like I said, it's just so much fun. I actually just got this from Zaffles, and I'm gonna have a Zaffles haul coming up pretty soon. And if you follow me on Instagram, you have definitely seen this outfit before. Please excuse all the wrinkles. I had to shove it in a bag before I filmed this. But like I said, I really like it, and I think it's a great outfit to wear out with friends for the 4th of July without like screaming red, white, and blue, if you know what I mean. So this is probably the most patriotic outfit that I have. So it's obviously this blue romper with stars all over it, and it has pockets, which is like the best thing ever. But oddly enough, it has this pocket like on the chest, which I don't quite know what I would use it for, but maybe like to put some money in if you decide to go out with your friends. But this is like a really comfortable summer outfit. So I don't know what your 4th of July outings look like, but I did want to throw in one dressy outfit. So this, I actually decided to pick this polka dotted shirt from Target. You can see it has this knotted detail on the bottom. So I feel like if you wanted to turn it into a crop top, you totally could. But I decided not to tie it that tight. But then I paired it up with a high-waisted jean skirt lined with multiple buttons down it. It does have pockets, because pockets are a must, and I feel like pockets are a girl's best friend. Like, not dogs, not diamonds, like pockets for sure. But yeah, and I really like this outfit. It's really cute if you guys like dress up for the 4th of July. For entertainment purposes, as I do my outro, I will show a bunch of clips of me dancing. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you have a wonderful 4th of July. Comment down below what your plans are. Keep an eye out because there will be a new video on Sunday, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
This is what dreams are made of. Somewhere I've got somebody to love.
And that was it for today's lookbook. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Oh no, there's an echo. I have to re-record this. Darn.